hope it's mobile this time.
Alabama until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Low-lying streets of downtown and midtown Mobile will be especially susceptible given very high rainfall rates and already heavily saturated soils. Use extreme caution driving around downtown and midtown Mobile. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Richard, Tillman's Corner, Santa Williams, Mobile Regional Airport, I-10 and I-65, I-65 and I-165, Wheelerville, West Hill, Orchard, Dawes, Meadow Lake, Seven Hills, Forest Hill, Man, Tucson, Navco, Ritz and Washota. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama. A flood.
Oh, this! The alert was almost 2 minutes long.